Well, I'm in the mood for some roasted salsa, so got to prep some ingredients and then get the barbecue ready and barbecue up the tomatoes and the chili peppers. I'll be using a combination of briquettes and charcoalized mesquite wood to get my smoky flavor that I desire out of my salsa. Really comes out tasty, nice and smoky. I've added my garlic and my onions already. I use a little bit more than the person who taught me as far as the onions go, but it's a taste thing. There's no real right way or wrong way as far as adding adding the onions. There is a such thing as overkill, but I'm right in the ballpark. The onions, serranos, jalapenos, and garlic get blended up first. Add a little bit of water so they blend. I think I need just a tad bit more. Then you add the tomatoes. Almost done. I've got to let it cool down enough to put the cilantro leaves in. While it's still hot, I blend up the cilantro stems in the salsa. Then I let it cool, and then I stir in the cilantro leaves. Almost done. Here we got the finished product right here. Perfect. It's ready. One thing I forgot to mention is add salt to personal preference and taste.